Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today guess what? Hey, oh, it's your girl. It's time for another video, for another video. Stop what you're doing for another video. I'm trying to find an intro. So if you have any suggestions or ideas of what I can do for an intro, I would really appreciate it if you leave it down below in the comment section, or if you like this one I can continue. Just let me know what you prefer, what you'd like. I just need to find an intro. So today I would like to play in this. It's a Juvia's Place Tribe palette. It looks like this. It's more of like earth tones and stuff like that, greens and orange, and you know there's a brown-ish color in it. I never used this palette. I've only tried this shade. Yeah, so I feel like playing in makeup, so let's see what we can come up with. Jumping straight into it, I already based my eyelids with the Rumor Number 2 by Beauti'Z, and I'm taking that dark green color called Sand from the palette, and this is my first color that I'll be putting in my crease. Then I'm taking that another color, which is the brownish, has some green undertones. It's called Ashanti, and I'm taking that on top. I'm just packing the colors so that I can further blend. Now going in with that orange, light orange is matte color in the palette called Aroma. I hope I'm not butchering the name. I'm just blending it. I'm taking my setting powder and I'm just setting my under my brow so that I can go ahead and further diffuse. Now I am taking these two, which one is a concealer in buff and the other one is the Rumor Number 2 by Juvia's Place by Beauti'Z, my bad. And I'm just cutting my crease and trying a desired shape. Now patting it down, getting off the excess, and I'm taking that orange, that metallic orange color called Cooler or something like that. Then I'm going back in with sand, and I'm just closing off and blending, trying to blend the metallic with that. Now going into this gold shade called Chega, and I am just putting it at the front. Now I'm just lining my waterline with a black liner. Any black liner you have will do. Now to finish off the rest of the eye look, so I'm going on the waterline with those three colors. First I'm taking the darkest matte green in the palette, and I'm starting it at the outer edge. Then I'm going into my inner corner up to my tear duct with the lightest green in the palette. And then in between the lightest green and the darkest green, I'll be putting the brown shade Ashanti. And yeah, now I'm going to be doing my lip combo, you know, with the lip combo. Brown pencil with gloss over on top. And now I'm going to show you that's the combo that I'm using today. This is the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this look. Let me know if there is anything you'd like me to do. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Bye, beauty.